Hello students, we'll see in this video about the false through statement. Means what is that false through? It's also kind of not a keyword. Instead of a break statement, we can use the false statement, or we can use the process without break statement also in switch statement. In switch keyword, we can also use without a break statement, we can run the program. That is called your false through statement, or false through, that is called a false through. Now we'll see this one. First I have created the class with that same name, that is false through statement, and one main class I have created. In that I have passed the argument int ch and written int n equals to 20, means the n value is presently 20. So in switch statement we have to pass this ch, where this ch will the value, whatever the value will be entered by the user, it will going to store in this particular variable ch. Now in case 1, if n plus n and system.out.print, it means it will increase the value one by one. After that, you can just see here, if I press 2, if the user press 2, then it will execute this statement. If the user will press 3, means 3, case number 3 means if you will press 3, then it will show it will run this particular statement only. As you can see in case 1, we have not used here, it is not used any break statement, means it is called the absence of the break statement. We can use the this is called a false through statement. We can use the false through, automatically it will go to the case 1, again case 2 and case 3, and at last we have used only one break statement and come out from the and program will be finished. Means if any user will press 2, then case number 2 statement will run, and after that it will automatically go to the case number 3, and in case number 3 it is given break statement. This is the use of this is called your false through statement. Now we'll see one by one how it is coming. And at last, if any wrong input is given by the user, then it will show this message. The default statement, it will execute this statement, that wrong choice. Now we'll see this one by one. First we have to compile. I have already compiled it, and we have to run void main, and it is asking, we have to write the case 1, case 2, any because we have declared how many cases? 3 cases I have declared. So case, either you can press 1, it means case number 1 will be execute, after that 3, 2, 3, 4. Now, and click on the OK button. Now as you can see here, the n1 value will be 21. As you can see here, the program, I'll show you with the program. See, as you can, just a second, we'll just see here, as you can see here, the present value is n equals to 20. When n plus n, it means it will just see, it will show you in the output n1 is equal to 21, and again n1 equals to 22, and because n plus e equals to 3, it means it will increase the n1 will be increased. 22 plus 3 is what? 25. So 25, it is showing the third one value, means case number 3 means 1 by, and after that it will, and at the last it will print this statement out of switch. It means the switch statement is finished over here. Now if one more time, if I will need it one more time, I'll just show you. One more time I have to run the program, then only it can be. Just a second. Again we have to call this main method, and after that, this time I'll press case number 2, then case number 2 and 3 only we execute. As you can see here, present value is N1 is 21 and press N2 is now 24. How it is coming? As you can see here, the second statement, second case is running 21, because 20 and when we increase the 21 value will, and plus n, it means N1 is 21, and after that it is case number 2. It will not going to it will not execute case number 2 because I have pressed case number 2. So case this and this will be execute. So when you add 21 plus 3, it will be 25, and this statement will be execute. And after that, one more time we'll just check out whether this is wrong. If I'll press any wrong choice, then it is coming or not. Once again we have to run that program. Once again I will show you. Now again have to call that method name void main. Now this time I will press any other case which is not given in the program, like number 5. Okay, it is case number 5 is not given, so it is written wrong choice out of switch, means it's a wrong which I have pressed. It means a default statement message is running, and at the last which is given out of switch. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you.